Stephen Bruno. We're at Phillips Chevrolet. I'm here with Brianna and her stepdad Mike. What did you guys buy today?
2014 Chevy Cruze.
What color?
Blue.
Well, I want to thank you both personally for coming out. It's been a wonderful time. What was your favorite part of the process?
Signing the papers.
Her favorite part was signing the papers. Our favorite part was meeting our new sales rep, because Hani's our guy. Hani has been our guy, but Steve took excellent care of us in his absence, and we really appreciate it.
Heine's a very, very good guy.
Yep.
I just want to thank both of you, and I got you out of an unsafe vehicle into a safe vehicle.
Yes, you
So
did.
I was doing my job properly. Come visit us at Phillips Chevrolet. Thank you.